5 sci-fi tools dentists will actually use by 2050. Technology has changed a lot over the years, and sometimes it seems like science fiction is becoming reality. With quantum computing, artificial intelligence, robots, and conscious computers being developed in this decade, how will all of this affect our visits to the dentist's office? In this video, we will look at 5 sci-fi tools dentists will start using before 2050. Did you know there is a good chance you will not have to go to the dentist anymore? A new amazing technique will make it possible for you to have a visit with your dentist no matter where in the world you are. How does that work? I will tell you all about it later on in the video. But first, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive a weekly video from us. In our videos, we share weird teeth facts and inspiration that you never thought were possible. We will also give away a free special gift in this video, so keep watching. Let's start with the first futuristic technology the dentist of the future will use. On number 5 we have 3D printing technology for creating customized dental prosthetics. 3D printing technology is changing dentistry. It is easier and cheaper for patients to get the treatments they need. With 3D printing, dental professionals can make prosthetics that fit each patient's mouth exactly. This is better than the old way of using one size for everyone because now each person can get a custom prosthetic that fits them well. 3D printed prosthetics are more accurate and comfortable than traditional methods. They are also cheaper to produce. This means that dental practitioners can provide better care at a lower price, which will help both patients and practitioners in the future. Let's take a look at how this actually works. When a tooth is damaged, the dentist uses a machine to scan the mouth and create a 3D image of the teeth and gums. This image is saved as a computer file. Then, using computer-aided design, the dentist can craft and print a precise, personalized repair for their patient's tooth that is exactly as expected. Another very welcome and useful application of 3D printing is to create an orthodontic model. Dentists used to make patients bite down on uncomfortable and bad-tasting clay. This would harden into a mold, which would be used to design braces or Invisalign. With 3D printing, dentists can now scan the teeth instead, design the appliance, and print it in-house. Why wasn't this around when I was a kid? And there is more a 3D printer can do. It can be used to make crowns, bridges, caps, dentures, and other dental implants. The only difference is the type of material used in the printing process. With its unique printing material, this technology produces a fully customized fit that can't be achieved with any other. Even better still is the end result, an optimal comfort level tailored to your own mouth. 3D printers can also be used to make surgical tools like dental implants and drill guides. This is helpful because it means that dentists don't have to rely on laboratories to produce crowns, bridges, and other implants. Using a 3D printer also has some financial benefits, both for the dentist and for the patient. Dentists do not need a dental laboratory, which saves them money. If a dental practice has its own dental laboratory, the initial cost could be $100,000. To have staff that can produce dental implants costs a lot of money too. In all, depending on how much work the laboratory does, it could cost $100,000 per year to run it. Compare that to the cost of a top-model 3D printer, which is about $20,000. This includes a starting supply of materials. You will need to buy more materials later, but it will cost less than running a dental lab. Patients also save money when their dentist uses a 3D printer. The high costs of adding and running a dental laboratory is reflected in each patient's bill. Using traditional technologies, a single crown can easily cost a patient $2,000 or more. When 3D printers lower overhead costs by 80%, dentists can pass the savings on to their patients. And yet another advantage of 3D printing is that dental and orthopedic services are faster and more accurate. Making models by hand takes a lot of time, but 3D printers can make multiple appliances at the same time. Accuracy is also improved since 3D printers convert digital images into physical objects by printing 16-micron thick layers one on top of the other. This benefits both dentists and patients because more appliances can be made in a shorter amount of time and they are more accurate. Enough about 3D printing for now. Let's take a look at another mind-blowing technology that dentists will use in the future. On number 4 we have artificial intelligence-assisted tooth decay detection. Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming more important in many areas, including dentistry. AI can do things like humans can, like making predictions and decisions in healthcare. This is especially true in endodontics, which is the study of the inside of teeth. AI can help with many things in endodontics, such as studying the different parts of the root canal system, predicting how well stem cells will grow on the dental pulp, measuring working lengths, finding root fractures and periapical lesions, and predicting whether retreatment procedures will be successful. This technology can also be used in the future for other things like scheduling, patient care, drug-drug interactions, and robotic endodontic surgery. In endodontics, AI is accurate and precise for things like disease detection, evaluation, and prediction. AI can help us do endodontic diagnosis and therapy better. This can make endodontic treatment results better too. Dentists have used X-rays to find out if someone had a cavity for a long time. Now artificial intelligence can help dentists find cavities too. AI systems use deep learning algorithms to look at pictures of teeth and see if there are any early signs of tooth decay. This is helpful because sometimes cavities can't be seen on an X-ray or with the naked eye. This technology helps dentists find problems with teeth earlier. This can help prevent more damage from happening. Additionally, this technology is more accurate than traditional methods and can be used for both adults and children alike, making it a valuable tool for dental practitioners. AI-assisted tooth decay detection can significantly help reduce the cost of dental care and make it more accessible to populations who may not be able to afford treatments. This new technology is still being developed, but it has the potential to become a really useful tool for dentists. AI-assisted tooth decay detection could help them find cavities and other problems with people's teeth more easily. Before I reveal the 3 cutting-edge tools your dentist will use by 2050, it's time to give you your special gift. Check the description below to find a link to our website where you can find my special gift for you right away. Go check it out right away, but don't forget to come back and watch the rest of this video. Some really amazing sci-fi stuff is coming up. Let's continue with number 3 on our list, laser dentistry for painless treatments. Laser dentistry is a new technology that can change dental care. It uses lasers, which are beams of light, to do different dental procedures without causing pain. These procedures include making teeth whiter and taking out cavities. Laser dentistry has many benefits. It helps the dentist be more accurate and do treatments faster. Also, it is usually less painful for patients because the laser does not require cutting or drilling into the tooth or gum. With all these advantages, laser dentistry will become more popular in the future. Think of the usual dental procedure or surgery for a moment: the noise of the drill, the dentist saying, "scalpel," the stitches that are put in after surgery, and the care that happens afterward. All of those thoughts are enough to make anyone anxious. But with laser technology, there is no more drilling needed, the scalpel serves no purpose because the laser would do the cutting, stitches are not necessary, and aftercare becomes 10 times easier. The laser's precise work minimalizes the damage done to the surrounding tissue and only addresses the problem at hand. This has a huge effect on how much pain is felt during and after the surgery, not to mention how it reduces stress before the procedure. It is much easier walking into a dentist's office knowing that they are not going to hurt you. Laser procedures are changing dentistry. This is good because the old way is painful, scary, and costly. The new way is more comfortable, less expensive, and more convenient. Many people who have tried both ways agree that the new way is much better. Remember when I talked about how you will not have to go to the dentist in person anymore at the beginning of this video? How you will be able to visit your dentist from anywhere in the world. How is that possible? It is possible because of virtual reality. A virtual version of you will be able to visit a virtual version of your dentist in a virtual version of his dentist's office. And he will be able to do a regular checkup or perform pre-procedure actions. With the help of virtual reality simulations, dentists will also be able to give you a comprehensive overview of any procedure by visually demonstrating it to you in great detail. This makes understanding and accepting treatments much easier for patients. Virtual reality simulations of oral anatomy and procedures are going to change the field of dental care. This technology uses computer-generated images, sound, and other things to make it feel like you are in a real place. By using virtual reality simulations, dentists can show their patients what they will experience during a procedure or treatment. This technology can help dentists improve patient education. Dentists can use visuals to explain complex topics in an easy way. This technology also allows for better planning and preparation prior to actual treatments, as well as improved collaboration between practitioners and patients alike. Let's get on with number 2 in our list of sci-fi tools the future dentist will use, which is robots. Robotic assistants are going to change dental clinics. They will make the clinic into a place that is high-tech and efficient. This will help dentists be able to do their job better and provide better care for patients. The robotic assistants will help dentists perform more difficult procedures in less time and with more accuracy than ever before. Additionally, robotic assistants can reduce patient anxiety by minimizing contact between human hands and teeth during treatments. Robotic assistants also allow for improved collaboration between practitioners and patients, as well as better planning prior to actual treatments. As this technology continues to develop, its potential applications in the dental field are limitless. Well, that'll be a bit weird when you tell your mom you fell in love with the dentist's assistant. But now to reveal our number 1 most advanced, most futuristic, and probably most weird tool your future dentist will be able to use: telepathy. In the future, dentists will be able to use tools that they can control with their minds. These tools will help them detect and diagnose tooth problems without having to touch the patient's mouth. This will allow dentists to examine the patient's teeth and gums more accurately and without causing any discomfort or pain. The tool will have sensors that measure electrical signals from the brain. These signals happen when a person focuses on a certain area of the mouth. The tool will show pictures of the affected areas. This will help the dentist make decisions quickly, without making the patient feel uncomfortable. Another good thing about this is that your dentist can do procedures on you without being in the same room. Your dentist could be in a different country, but he could control a robotic arm to do the dental procedure as if you were both in the same place. This happens by using virtual reality simulation. So if you are afraid of going to the dentist, this could be a painless way to visit the dentist from anywhere in the world. I am very excited about all of this. How about you? That's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video and that it inspired you with some new insights about how we will be able to step into a dentist's office, probably virtually, with less anxiety, less pain, and better procedures. If you know of any other futuristic tools the dentist will use, please feel free to share them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video where we'll reveal more jaw-dropping toothy facts.